Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 7th class mathematics, exercise number 5, question number 1. Okay, let's see the solution. Here question number 1 is verify the following. Okay, we have to verify the given question. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. First take LHS. LHS is left hand side, LHS full form is the 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. Always try to simplify bracket values, students. 18 right as it is. Now I am simplifying bracket. Now plus into minus, minus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 answer is 4, students. 18 4 is 72. Here I got LHS answer is 72. This is LHS answer, student. Now similarly find RHS. RHS full form is right hand side. Now right hand side is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay, first 18 into 7 multiply, students. 18 into 7 7 8 is 56, 5 carry, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 5 12, 126. No, plus into minus, minus 18 3 is multiply again 18 into 3, 3 8 is 24, 2 carry, 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 5, 54. Now 126 minus 54. No, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 2, students. Now 2 minus 5 we can't subtract, take here borrow from second number. Now this 1 becomes 0, now the 2 becomes now 12, 12 minus 5 7. The answer is 72, students. I got answer 72. This is RHS. RHS is equal to 72. You can observe clearly LHS answer I got 72 and RHS answer I got 72. Therefore, this problem is verified, right? LHS is equal to, this is conclusion, students. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Okay. Yeah, this is question number 1. First bit, students. Let's see the second bit. Let's see the second bit. The second bit question is, now second bit is minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 and plus minus 21 into minus 6, students. Let's see the solution. First take LHS. LHS full form is a left hand side, minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6. Okay, right. No, minus 21 right as it is. Now first simplify these two bracket numbers. Minus 4 plus into minus, minus, student. 6 minus 4 minus 6 both are having minus symbols. Minus into minus plus. Plus means what we have to do? Addition, student. 6 plus 4 10. Yeah, in this one bigger number is 6. 6 having minus symbol, put minus symbol. Now both are having minus symbols. Minus into minus plus. Now 21 into 10, answer is 210. This is LHS answer. LHS I got answer 210. Now similarly find RHS. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. No, minus into minus, first plus, students. 21 4s are 21 into 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Answer is 84, students. Next plus, here also minus into minus plus, 21 into 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 126. Okay, Now here both are pluses. Add students 126 plus 84. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 1 carry. Answer is 210. What is just answer I got? 210. You can observe clearly. LHS answer I got 210 and RHS answer I got 210. Therefore both the answers are same. Therefore this problem is verified. The conclusion is right. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved or hence verified, students. This is question number 1, students. Let's see question number 2. Okay, students, and question number 2 is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a is equal to dash? Simple, students. Minus 1 for any integer, right? Solution for any integer a, solution is minus 1 into a is equal to, if you multiply with 1 with any number, you will get that number. Students, a ones are a, minus into plus minus, solution is minus a, students. Similarly, second bit is, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. Okay, yeah, here 1 is minus 1 is there, we should multiply with some number. That number we don't know. If you multiply with that number with minus 1, you should get answer is 5. Simple, students. Minus 1 into minus 5. Why? Because if you multiply 5 ones are 5 with 5, you will get 5, students. 5 ones are 5. Here minus also very important. You should balance a minus symbol also. Minus into minus plus. This is the solution, students. Okay. This is question number 2. Let's see the question number 3. Okay, students. Here question number 3 is, find the product using suitable properties. Okay. Product is nothing but, students, in multiplication. We have to multiply the numbers by using properties. In first class, I have explained all properties: distributive property, associative property, cumulative property, all properties. By using that properties, we have to multiply the numbers. Okay. Right. First one is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay. You can observe clearly here minus 48 is common. Take minus 48 is common into 26 plus minus 36. Minus 48 right as it is. Plus into minus 26 minus 36, answer is 10. Why? Because here in this one bigger number is 36. 36 having minus symbol, put minus symbol. Now again here multiplication symbol is there between. Multiply these two numbers. Minus into minus is plus. 48 into 10, 48 tens, answer is 480. If you multiply these two numbers, you will get answer is 480. Now similarly second one is, first 8 into 53 into minus 125. First multiply these two numbers. 53 into 8. 53 8s are 424. This number minus 125 right as it is. Now plus into minus is minus. Now multiply 424 into 125. You will get answer to 53,000. Okay. Next third one is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. First multiply these three numbers, students. These two numbers, 25 into 15, answer is minus 375. Next minus into minus plus 4 tens, answer is 45. Next minus 375 into 40, multiply these two numbers, you will get answer is 15,000. If minus symbol is there, right minus symbol as it is. Next fourth one is minus 41 into 102, minus right as it is. Multiply 41 into 102, you will get final answer is 4182. Next similarly sixth one, students, 7 into 50 minus 2. First 50 minus 2, subtract 50 minus 2 is 48. Multiply 48 into 7, you will get answer is 336, that is 336. Next question number 5. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here in this problem, you can observe clearly 625 is common. Take 625 is common. The left numbers, two numbers are there, that is 35 and 65. Write the two numbers as it is. Now 625 it as it is, minus 35 plus into minus is minus 65. Minus 35 minus 65. Both are having minus symbol, students. Minus into minus plus. Plus means what we have to do? Simple, student, that is plus. 35 plus 65, answer is 100. Here in this one, 65 is a bigger number. 65 having minus symbol, put minus symbol. Now 625 into 100 multiply, you will get answer 62,500, students. Here minus plus into minus is minus. put minus symbol. Next similarly 7th beta, minus 17 into minus 29. First multiply symbol, students. Minus into minus is plus. Now multiply 17 into 29, you will get answer. Final answer is 493. Similarly 8th one, minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. First multiply these two numbers, minus into minus plus 57 into 19. Answer is 1083 plus 57, right as it is. 1083 plus 57. Add these two numbers, you will get final answer is 1140. This is question number 3, students. Now I have completed exercise number 5. Let's see the exercise number 6. Okay, next question, students. Exercise number 6. In exercise number 6 only one question is there, students. Let's see the question, that is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. First one is the division concept, students. Completely this fill in the blanks depending on division concept. Let's see the questions. Minus 25 divided by minus 25 divided dash is equal to 25. Okay, minus 25 is answer. Question is given, students. Answer is 25. Okay, we should fill the blank. What number is divided? Okay, I should get the same answer, means I should divide with the 1. So minus into minus plus 25 divided by 1 is answer is 25. If you take another number, so you will get another answer. If you take a same answer, that number only you will get. The second one is minus 49 divided by 1 is equal to minus 49. The blank is minus 49, students. Why? Because same here, 1 multiply with 1 any number, divide with 1 any number, you will get answer same that number only, students. Okay, yeah, that's the reason. Next, 50 divided by 0. Here answer is not different, students. How? Listen. 50 divided by, not only 50 divided by 0, students. Any number divided by 0, 1 divided by 0, or 100 divided by 0, or 1000 divided by 0, or 1 lakh divided by 0. Any number divided by 0, answer is not different, students. This is fixed. Remember, okay na? Here question is 50 divided by 0. Any number 50 divided by 0, answer is not different, and any number divided by 0, answer is not different. This is fixed, remember. Okay. Next is 0. Last one is 0 divided by 1. Answer is 0, students. Why? Because one is multiplication concept I am explaining, students. Listen carefully. 0 into any number is 0. 0 multiply with 0 any number, you will get the answer is 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 100, 0. 0 into 1000, 0. 0 into 1000, 0. 0 into lakh, 0. 0 into 1 crore, 0, students. 0 with any number is multiplying with 0 any number, you will get the answer is 0. Okay. Now 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number, also answer also 0, students. 0 by 1, 0. 0 by 100, 0. 0 by 1000, 0. 0 by 1 lakh, 0. 0 by any number. 0 divided by any number, answer is 0, students. Remember, this also fixed. 0 into any number, 0. 0 divided by any number, 0. Okay, students, this is exercise number 6. That's all for today's class. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it and share to your friends. Thank you so much. May Vamshi Kumar.